wanted to tell you guys why am I not posting that much right now. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and tonight we're doing a Get Unready with me. I just wanted to do a chit chat Get Unready with me because one, I'm tired, two, it's 1:44 in the morning. Look, can you guys see? It is 1:44 in the morning, and that's pretty late for me because usually I fall asleep around like 10 or midnight, but I had a long day. I just got my outfits for Carnival. Y'all, they're so cute. You guys will get a vlog on that. But let's go ahead with the chit chat. First, we're gonna go ahead and get the hydrating Neutrogena. Right. These are like my favorite to remove makeup, and they make me feel so sleepy at night. Oh, they're dry. They're really dry. Huh. Okay, well, I'm gonna go wet this later, but the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and take our wig off. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this. My hair is really dry right now. I just had the Got To Be spray on for now. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off first before removing my makeup. Ooh, this is water, by the way. I feel like this week is my last, obviously, well, this week is my last week of school before finals week, and I literally did not know. I thought I had all the way to the 23rd. If you guys don't know, today's like the 4th or something. You guys will see this pretty much later, but today's the 4th, and I literally did not know, like, okay, we have one more week. I'm thinking like, okay, we have like another 3 weeks of school because I don't technically graduate until the 23rd of May. Finally getting my associate's degree in psychology, my associate's transfer degree. I will be transferring to Stanislaus State. It's official. I have applied to Sac State. I applied to East Bay and Hayward, and I also applied to Stanislaus and the Stockton Stanislaus campus, and I got accepted to all of them. But it really came down to what is less expensive, what's more convenient for me. Like, eventually I want to be buying a house. I literally ran out of storage and had to delete stuff I already posted, and I totally forgot to do that. And I have some film on there that I didn't even put. Oh my god, I've been slipping, guys. But back to what I was saying about school. I got accepted into Stanislaus State, East Bay, and Sacramento State, but I decided to go to Stanislaus because it's very much so cheaper and it's closer. I'm still decided to live with my parents too. I know if you guys watched one of my, overall goals that I wanted to have, and one of them was moving out, but I also decided that, I need to save up money, pay off my debt, and we're gonna have a whole nother video on debt and stuff and budgeting. So I just felt like it would be a smart idea, especially if I have the opportunity to live here rent-free and just help my mom out and just do the smart way. So yeah. One thing I want to talk about is my finals. Guys, I'm so happy. Like, all of my finals are going to be online. Like, from the beginning of my class, my psychology class always had her quizzes and tests online, so that was expected. But my biology class, when I took him, he literally told us in the beginning of the year, like, oh, you guys' final will be online, which I totally forgot about. It really didn't make more of a difference because honestly, like, I'm doing pretty okay with that class too. But plant is the only one I was worried about. Even though I have an A in that class, I don't do that well on tests when it comes, especially when it comes to plant. But she did a vote last week, and she messaged all of us on Canvas and was like, hey, I wanted to know if you guys wanted to do your final online or in person. So then she announced, obviously I was in class, but my friend told me she announced that we will be taking our final online, and y'all, I am so freaking happy about that. Like, you guys just do not understand how happy I am about that. Okay guys, so I wanted to post of like, why am I not, I wanted to tell you guys why am I not posting that much right now. And honestly, I really don't have that great of an excuse besides I'm just trying to focus on school. Cause school right now is like getting a little hectic for me, but I really started slipping when I had job problems, finance problems, where I couldn't get any hours, and then when I'm not working, it's like I'm not on schedule and I don't know what to do with myself. So instead of me trying to be productive and stuff when I'm home, I'm actually the opposite and I don't know what to do because I don't know, I'm weird. So when I'm on a set schedule, I literally come home from school, cook, go to work, go to the gym, film on this day, edit on this day while I'm at work. Like, I do a lot of things, but when I'm home and all this time is passing me by and I always have a school, it's like I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know when exactly to like film and stuff, so it's kind of weird. But on the bright side, I'm working again. I'm almost at a full-time job. I have 32 hours now. So, and the job that I had was completely horrible, you guys. Like, I have to do a freaking story time on that. Basically, they effed me all the way over. They shut down. They didn't give me my last check. Like, it's completely crazy. Another thing I want to talk about, guys, is getting organized, because you guys, I did so much better this semester when it comes to my organization. Like, I figured out what my fling was when it came to me like organizing, and it was having a digital like calendar, like digital planner. And I use Google. Sorry, I'm like pouring my water bottle. It's hecka close to. Oh, T, get one of these. I definitely plan on being more organized right now. Last time when I was washing, going through my clothes, I was going through all my old underwears. You guys, I'm a hoarder. I've been having underwears. I know this is probably TMI, but I've been having old underwears since like past high school. I've been out of high school for 5 years. So I definitely been out of underwears. I've been having those underwears since like elementary school. I found some. Ooh. I found some of my old like cheer shorts, like knowing dang well you don't wear no small. So like a lot of stuff that I've been going through and seeing, I've been putting it in a bag to give to the homeless shelter or the women's shelter. It just really depends how I'm feeling for that day. And I'm going through other stuff that's old and, you know, not wearable. I'm throwing it away. So that's one thing that I'm organizing right now. But like when it comes to like school and stuff, and long as I'm like everything's on schedule, I've been doing really good with not eating out, trying to be more healthy, even though I'm not seeing the best results right now, because I'm trying to make it a lifestyle. So it's kind of harder to see improvement from a lifestyle than from trying to lose weight fast, because I want this to be more of a permanent thing and not just, oh, let me do keto and da-da-da. Like, come on, y'all act like, am I not gonna eat bread for the rest of my life? Like, no. So that's not gonna work, because all I'm gonna do is gain the weight back. So that being said, I need to find something that works out for me personally. And right now I'm doing fasting, and I've always been doing fasting, like on and off. So I feel like that's one thing I probably can really stick to. But it's more of me trying to cut out more sugar and me trying to cut out more carbs. Is like really hard for me to do, because I love oatmeal, guys. I love oatmeal and I love rice. And my friend, she told me recently, like, oh, you need to cut out the carbs, like, and I thought about this too, like, you need to have carbs one time a day. So if you're having 3 meals, then you can, if you have it for breakfast, you can't have it for dinner. So I can't eat oatmeal, right, and then for dinner I'm having rice or pasta or whatever situation is. So it needs to be one time. And I was like, you know, that makes sense. And I thought about doing something like that, but I just never really put that much thought into it. I'm still trying, you know, stay focused. I've been having companies lately hit me up about, you know, promoting their stuff and see how everything is going. So I will be doing that soon. But I need to learn how to like really organize my room. Like, I'm gonna be getting rid of a lot of stuff, and it's like I really don't want to, but honestly, if I'm not using it or wearing it, it needs to go, because my drawers are overpacked. I can't fit things in there. I have things on my dresser since I was in high school, like old perfume that I don't even wear anymore. So it's just like a lot of stuff that I feel like I need to get rid of little by little. Hold on, guys, I need to put oil in my scalp. Yeah, guys, so right now I'm just focused on not really filming right now, because I have a lab practical that's literally like do or die. That's the only thing I have to worry about now. The rest of my stuff is pretty much handled, but with this lab practical, last time I got a 42 out of 100. Yeah, that's pretty bad. So I had a 42 out of 100. And what he's going to do for our next lab practical, if you get a C or a B or an A, he's going to replace that grade with this, like the last one too. So if I get a B, that means I would have had a B on the last lab practical and this one. So that means I won't be posting and I won't be filming. I'll probably be filming, like vlogging, but I won't be actually like filming, sitting down and taking my time with these, because you know, I need to focus on my finals. But after that, after finals is over, I also plan on working 2 jobs because I really need to pay this debt off. So that being said, I'm gonna be right back. I'm actually gonna wash my face. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wash my face with. This is a new thing I've been doing to like literally wash my face with. I'm going to do a separate video about it, more details. But literally like my lazy way of taking off my makeup and washing my face. Usually I don't even do this anymore, but for the sake of the video I did this. But usually I just grab one of these scrubbers. This is a scrubber that I use. I literally just put it on my face, like wet my face, put it on my face, scrub it, and then just rinse it off, and my skin feels clear. And I put some coconut oil on top and we're all good to go. My next goal that I feel like I need to do is honestly get my room to where I want it to be, because my room is so cluttered. Like I just need to really declutter my life, honestly. Like I'm trying to get more organized. Oh guys, there's one thing I need to talk to you guys about. Like guys, I've been working on, and I feel like this is very important, time management. Oh my god guys, I have horrible time management. Like it's not even funny. Like I literally will get up early, do everything I need to do, and then in between that I would just like, okay, well I'm early, everything's finished, whatever, and I'll just like sit down. I don't know what I be doing. Like I'll just sit down and then I wait last minute. The next you know, I don't know what happens honestly, but I'm always running late to something. Running late or really rushing to get on time. So lately I've been doing better, but I like now people are shocked that I'm even coming to class early. There's some classes that I still end up late to. If you watch my old vlogs or anything, you'll see I'm always late. I'm late to everything. Matter of fact, I was late to the baby shower today. So it's just like I just do not, I feel like being late isn't good for me anymore, because that's something that's like childish, like something you do when you're younger. Now that I feel like I'm getting older and I'm gonna get closer to being in my career choice, that I can't be going to work late. If I want to be a psychologist or social worker or whatever situation is, because my major is psychology, I can't be running late when I have a client who's waiting on me. I will get fired, especially if I'm working for somebody else. So I feel like right now, yeah, I'm only working security, but you know, I need to take my job more serious, so that way when I move forward on, that it won't be that big of a deal when I'm always on time. So basically I'm trying to say is I need to learn how to be on time. I need help with time management. If you guys have any advice for me when it comes to time management, please give them to me, because Lord, I literally suck at time management. It's not even funny. Like I wish there was something I can do about it, but I'm trying so hard, like with scheduling and stuff, but like sometimes you just be tired or you oversleep. Like right now, like my schedule is perfectly fine, but I'm trying to fit working out into my schedule, because obviously if you want to do something, you need to make it your priority. So I feel like with me, one thing that I've been slipping on is going to the gym. So usually how I want my schedule to be is wake up in the morning like around 9 o'clock, go to the gym like 9:30, 10, and then go to school at 11 or 11:30 depending on what day it is. And then after I get out of school, I need to go home and cook. I cook, I finish my food, I'm going to work. I go to work for 8 hours, I get out at 10, come home, take food out for the next day, go to sleep by midnight, and then start over again. And that is a pretty strict schedule, but it's like sometimes when I wake up in the morning I be tired or I don't feel good, and I don't know, I don't know, but I've been doing it sometimes I'll get up in the morning, but there's also a lot of times where I haven't been getting up, but it's also a work in progress, but I don't want to make any excuses of why it's not getting done. So that being said, I'm gonna go wash this off my face. Okay guys, I'm back after washing my face. And I have my organic coconut oil. Now, one last thing I want to add is I haven't been posting like that or uploading like that because of school and me trying to get everything together. So right now I'm trying to post at least once a week. Sometimes I do skip that week and post every 2 weeks just to keep you guys kind of interested. I will start posting twice a week when everything's over with. I still got stuff to deal with, finals and stuff. So yeah, I'm literally gonna just dip my finger and scoop it backwards like that. So my face used to be like that's literally it. My face used to be like super oily, but it has changed. It literally changed. I never heard of it changing like that. Well, I know why it changed, but can't be telling y'all everything. But my face has changed, so I use coconut oil instead of my Pond's moisturizer because I feel like this really gets in deep, and I used to flake right here a lot, so I gotta get that oil, girl, because that moisturizer stuff ain't good enough unless I double hit. In this, I could just get one little swig. I believe that was everything I really wanted to talk about. If there's anything else that I want to talk about, it can literally wait for any other chit chat because I talk a lot and I ask a lot of questions. Actually, there is a lot of more things I want to talk about. We're going to talk about business and like financing, budgeting. When I start learning about time management, we're going to learn about that too. We're going to do a lot of these chit chat get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Go ahead and follow my social media at icequeentaty at Twitter, my Twitter and my Instagram. If you want to follow me on Snapchat, you can do me at Tatyana209. Don't add me on Facebook because those are strictly for friends and family only. That being said, I will literally see you guys next video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!